Getting rejected after 5 interview rounds is not a sign that your technical skills are weak. It's a sign that you are still trying to sell coding capacity in a market that no longer values it. Most engineers with 8 to 10 years of experience are stuck for one simple reason. You are still proving how fast you can write code, while hiring managers are desperately looking for someone who knows what not to build. Here is what changed in 2026. AI didn't replace senior engineers, it replaced the value of pure implementation. When anyone on your team can generate syntax in seconds, companies stop paying 40 or 50 lakhs for feature velocity. They pay for a risk reduction. When a hiring committee rejects a candidate with 10 years of experience, it's rarely because they failed a coding test. It's because every answer sounded like a technical tutorial instead of an executive decision. They don't want to hear which framework you used. They want to know the business risk you evaluated, the architectural trade off you accepted, and the long term debt you prevented. If you want to break out of this cycle today, stop preparing for interviews by memorizing answers. Instead, take your last three major projects and write down the why behind every core decision, what failed, what trade offs you made, and what it saved the company in time or revenue. Remember this framework: market value is equal to technical judgment, business impact, and decision clarity. Your coding ability gets you into the room. Your decision clarity is what you gets you the staff or lead offer. I am Sandeep Jeswar. Over the last 14 years, as a front-end architect and engineering manager, I have built enterprise software systems, led engineering teams, and conduct dozens of technical interviews for senior roles. I have seen incredibly talented developers get stuck at a salary plateau simply because nobody taught them how to translate years of hands-on work into visible technical leadership. If your career growth has stalled despite working harder than ever, the problem isn't your talent, it's that you are playing by an old set of market rules. As an engineering career strategist and technical leadership mentor, I help experienced developers transition from execution engineers into high leverage decision makers. If your team trusts your decision more than your code, your career will keep growing, no matter how fast technology changes. If this resonates, let's continue this conversation.